One of the hardest things for my clients to understand is the difference between something that's unfair and something that's illegal. For example, let's talk about commercial leases. In commercial leases, if you have a lease with one of those institutional landlords, I guarantee you that that lease is all against you. It's one-sided and it has horrible clauses that are all against you. And if you go to a court, you're gonna lose. And it's very hard for me to explain to my clients that, hey, look, unfortunately, Florida courts enforce those papers. They're like outrageous. They're like super one-sided, but a Florida court will enforce it. So even if you think the landlord did this bad thing or this other thing and it's violating whatever law you think it may be violating, your lease will contain some things that may let them do that. For example, I had a lease once where the landlord had the chance to rearrange the place. He could move you around, and moving you around could put you in a position where your sales go down, and they could do that. And Florida courts, day in and day out, they enforce those things. So that's why the very first thing you gotta do is, before you sign, talk to a lawyer, and don't just marry with any location that you like. Make sure you're not dealing with one of those big institutional landlords that give you very, very little room for flexibility and for negotiation. You wanna negotiate that lease and you want something fair, because if things go bad, then you may not have any options.